With the main function and launching date and pricing information.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Mendelson, General Manager of Boingo Mobile. I'm with Boingo Wireless, which is a Wi-Fi service provider that offers Wi-Fi roaming solutions all around the world, over 100,000 locations. I have several announcements happening at Mobile World Congress. The first is to show you that we now have a client. This is a new announcement just tonight. The press release will go out tomorrow regarding support for Sony Ericsson P1i and W960i. It's the first time Boingo Mobile has been supported on the Sony Ericsson UIQ platform. We also have an announcement of a new Windows Mobile client you can see running here. This is a new Windows Mobile client. We've supported it before, but now we also add support for both Windows Mobile 5 and 6 at the show. So generally speaking, Boingo Mobile is a Wi-Fi service provider that you would use when you're roaming away from home or office. So if you go to the airport, hotel, whatever, and you want to log into Wi-Fi, it's very difficult to do so. We have a client you install on your phone, and the service only costs $8 a month US, $4 British pounds a month, or around €6 a month. Unlimited usage. So you have one username, one password, load it on your device today and get going. Right here in this room right now is a Boingo hotspot, and I'm logging into it here. Thank you so much for having me. You want to trade? Here's her card.